Make agricultural cleaning easy with a Yanmar Diesel Power Washer. These machines are available on a Bowser unit as seen in the video, or on a standard trolley frame with or without a reel. These machines are belt driven and have electric start as standard. They run at 18 litres per minute at 3000 psi. They can come with an option of an Interpump or Hawk pump. When paired with a turbo nozzle, these machines make light work of even the heaviest of build-ups on slatted sheds. Perfectly suited to the agricultural sector, the Yanmar Diesel Power Washer delivers outstanding reliability and fuel efficiency, and with diesel readily available on most farms, it's always ready to work when you are. If you are interested in one of these machines, please don't hesitate to contact our sales team on the numbers below. We deliver nationwide and can offer finance options on all machines.